Spain. Where do I begin? Hey guys, this is Tiana here and welcome back to my channel. I'm here to talk about my time in Spain. Yeah, I mean, a lot happened in Spain, which I'm not going to get into too much. But you're probably thinking, where the hell am I? This is my room, by the way, which I've never filmed in before because I feel like my room's just a bit awkward. Like I wasn't sure where I could just like put my phone because that's what I'm filming on. So yeah, and yeah, I have like a lot of pictures. I mean, this is all of my sister's pictures. That over there, that's all me. All of my pictures. So yeah, I don't know if I'm going to like continue to film, like do videos in my room or like do it in my dining room. Like there's always some stuff going on there which is in the background, but yeah, I don't know, like let me know if you would prefer me to like film in my room or in my dining room, like I don't know. Like, and yes, my room is very pink. It's very pink, which I thought was a really good idea when I was about 11. I mean, I would prefer to paint it white now, but don't think that's gonna happen. So yeah, anyway, yeah, so I kind of vlogged for the first day in Spain, but for the rest of it I basically didn't. Like I pretty much gave up. The daily vlog life really was not cutting it for me, and especially because it's kind of awkward to film at the beach, you know, like people in their bikinis, and the beach you were like people would just literally like strip naked, so would have been pretty inappropriate to film, if you get what I mean. And the day before I went to the airport to Spain, I stayed at Ethan's house, which was actually like my first sleepover with a friend. But whatever, you know, like it's not that deep. So yeah, enjoy. Happening.
I'm not doing nothing.
Sorry, where are you?
This is the man.
Because I haven't slept. I feel sick when I haven't fully slept.
Finally, you'll get like that. You just have to kind of.
Oh, bloody hell!
Wait, who's doing that? I'll do.
I haven't been on a plane since I was like 4 years old, so when I went on like this plane, it was pretty much like my first time, especially like on my own without my family. And this was the view when we got off the plane and came out of the airport, and it was just so beautiful. Hey guys, so I'm finally here. We're all here in Lorena's house in Salobreña. Lorena! Yeah, Lorena's really stressed right now, as you can see, trying to sort out the house. Everyone's like set in their beds now. Alright, love. Oh, hello, Lauren.
Hi.
This is my vlog, so yeah.
Shower.
Yeah, she's usually confused like that. So this is our room. Let me show you guys. We just have our suitcase laid out to get ready. They're double beds. Lorena and Shine's sharing that. I'm having the single bed over there. It's super tiny. I know, because I'm the smallest apparently. So okay. This is the view outside the window from my room. It's so lovely. And it's literally so hot. I'm actually dying right now.
Where did the rest of the group go?
I have no idea.
Are you vlogging?
I am.
Okay, thank you. No, Tiana, please let me vlog right now.
I'm sorry, it's going in the vlog. I'm just going to do a montage, I think.
Do you want a pencil? I don't think today. Tiana, would you like a pencil back?
Oh, yes, please.
Then can you grab one?
Get my nose in there while I'm at it. Me and Cheyenne like climbed at the top of this like mountain, and this was the view from like the cliff, and it was just so beautiful. So I don't really remember what happened on the second day. Like, I don't think I didn't vlog, I didn't take any pictures. Like after the first day I didn't, but yeah, so I just skipped ahead to the third day where we went to this amazing water park. Like, it was so lovely, and like the slides were so scary. I first went on one of these slides and it was so scary going down, and I wasn't sure how deep the water was gonna be. So when I like reached the bottom and I went in the water, I literally thought I was drowning, and I was just like flailing about like, oh my gosh, like I'm going to die. And then like, and oh, it was just so stressful. And then Cheyenne was there like, oh, we're gonna need to jump in, we're gonna need to save her, she's drowning, oh my gosh. And then Lorena was like, Tiana, it's only 4 feet, stand up, stand up. So, and like I was there like just panicking, and then yeah, so I stood up, and yeah, it was fine. It was so embarrassing. Like the lifeguard didn't even flinch. Like the guy was just like, okay, cool. So yeah, that was a bit awkward. And the water park there, like it's the sea water, so yeah, it burned, and all of that just going in my mouth just literally made me sick. But that water park was literally the best thing ever. Like I really want to go again. It was amazing. And like the same thing kind of happened when me and Jacob went on like a ride together, and you get these like these floats, yeah, where it can sit 2 people. And I went, and like we went on it together, and yet again I drowned. But you know what? I was still living my best life, so I'm still here. I survived, like, you know what? So it's fine. Yeah.
Oh, I love the smell of dancing. Aoife, put more energy into it. Yeah, Aoife. Come on, guys. Aoife's just so laughing. Hey, I'll go do this music video. Grab this tile thing. Look at that, Peter. Look at that.
A few moments later.
that parade, we went to go to a tapas restaurant, but we didn't really have a good experience, so we ended up going somewhere else and getting like pizzas and wraps. We also met some really nice guys at the concert which were friends with one of Lorena's friends. And then we managed to get a picture with some of the performers and the dancers. And then on the way home we saw like some people taking pictures on the town sign, and we thought they wanted us to take a picture of them, but they actually were telling us to get in the picture.
6.5 hours later.
This is why we hate London.
After that we went to this underground bar which was so lovely and had a really lovely owner, and it was just really cute.
Yeah, they just bite you. They don't like live in your hair and shit.
But is it hurt?
I think so, yeah.
Because I thought they're not bad.
That's fine. Oh, so cute.
I look like I've got really bad
Do you have
hip injections. Look.
The view from where we were was so beautiful, and you could just see the whole town just lit up, and I just absolutely loved it. On our last day we went out to eat to this really nice restaurant, and I got like this pasta dish with prawns and mushrooms, and it was so nice. Like I literally want it like right